In this video, let's talk about how to send money with Zelle. So if this is your first time trying to use Zelle in order to send money, in this video, let me show you the step-by-step process that you'll need to follow. Now, first of all, you need to know that Zelle is not a separate application and is inbuilt within the mobile banking application of your bank. So let's say if you have a account of Chase and have the online banking of Chase, you can just open up the Chase mobile app, and right here you'll be able to see the option called send money with Zelle. Similarly, if you have other banks such as Bank of America or other major banks inside US, within US, you'll be able to see the Zelle option being integrated. You can just tap on the send money with Zelle option, and if this is your first time, you'll need to verify your account by adding in your phone number or your email address, and then your account would be verified. Once your account is verified, you can add in the recipient's phone number that you're trying to send the money to. You can add in the amount, and then you can just tap on the send option so that the funds are transferred within minutes. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to send money with Zelle. If this video was helpful, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.